This is a Mercedes 300 SEL from 1969. It's made in Germany and delivered in Switzerland. It has been driving in Switzerland for 25 years. It has alloy wheels, original, with tires with a bump, so they protect the alloy wheels. The headlights are made for America, double headlights. It has a V8 engine, gasoline and gas. Power steering, original air conditioning, air suspension. This one you put in liquid in the winter so the air cannot freeze. It has an alloy V8 engine. Power brakes, electric fuel system. This one has 4 horns, 2 normal and 2 big one. When you drive in the mountain in Switzerland, then you can horn for every corner when it's dark.